Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Union Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.unionbank.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Union Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the sign on button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign on button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On this menu, fill in your user ID here and then click on the sign on button. Once you click on the sign on button, and if you have filled in your user ID correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to sign in to the Union Bank. I hope this video helped you to sign in to the Union Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.